Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly and easily find and delete your reposts on TikTok. First, open the TikTok app and log into your account. Then, tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner. On your profile page, you'll notice a few tabs just below your bio. You'll see your uploaded videos, a lock icon for private videos, and another tab with circular arrows. This is your Reposts tab. Tap on it. Here, you'll see all the videos you've reposted. To delete a repost, tap on the video you want to remove. Once it opens, tap the share icon. That's the small arrow pointing to the right. In the share menu, look for the option that says Remove Repost. It's usually shown with a yellow circular arrow icon. Tap on that, and the repost will be removed from your profile. That's it. The video will no longer appear under your reposts. If this video helped, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video.